Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2012 BMW Hybrid Active 3 doing a main battery. So I've already got this one going back in, so I'm going to do a retrograde. That bolt there will be the bane of your existence. Trying to get that thing lined up with no room. Yeah, that's fun. 13 millimeter. Anyways, has to hold the clamp down. Put your battery vent on. Going to put your positive and negative battery terminal on here. Once I get done with that part, then I'll show you the bracket piece that's going to go over this, and same thing with the auxiliary battery, putting that part back in. So we'll pause for this one, we'll get that part on, and I'll show you all that. Alright, bracket 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. Little hooks right there, hooks onto the other bracket right here, sits over top. Make sure everything's tightened up and all that kind of good stuff. Now we're going to put the auxiliary battery in, and I'll show you the same thing with the mount for it goes in. Okay, got the bracket in, 10 millimeter right there, 10 millimeter right there, 10 millimeter to tighten up the negative, 10 to tighten up the positive, and this 13 right here. Best to use a wrench to get that little nut right there off. But it's in the back of the bracket. You can pull it off, swing it out of the way. Once the positive side's disconnected, swing it out of the way. Take off that battery brace. 10 there. Auxiliary battery come out and get to the bottom one. And that is about it. Put everything back. Also, you will need to register the battery. So, not many people know about how to do that. Most of the time, we'll take a scanner to do so. And in that process, registering the battery tells the car that you have a new battery in, and that's how the charging system is supposed to work with a new battery. So instead of it using an old battery setup, it'll have a new battery setup. Scanners do this, most OBD2 readers do not, so you'll have to find a buddy that has one, or go to a shop, BMW specialist, dealer, have them register the battery. Questions, comments, please let me know.